Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of the 7-day challenge. Today we're going to be doing a 15 minutes upper body, working those arms, chest, shoulders, and of course abs. I have light hand weights. These are 2 pounds, but feel free to use anything lighter, heavier, whatever you're feeling. So let's hop right into it. Going to roll or shoulder blades back and then press those elbows into that waist and reach out and reach back in. Now, throughout this workout, I want you to really find that mind-body connection right here. Sync that body and mind and really focus on that breath. Think about those muscles that we're strengthening and your workout will be way more effective. So we're just warming up here, reaching out and reaching in. There we go. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reach over with the right arm and come back in. Reach and come back in. Reach. And while you're doing this, I want you to engage that core, squeeze those abdominals, and reach over to the right. Working that shoulder here, extending that arm long. There we go. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back in, other side. So we're reaching up and over. That right arm is just, or right hand is just near the shoulder. And every time we're extending that arm long, we keep a slight bend into that arm and really strengthen and lengthen. There we go. Engage that core for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back in. Reach those arms wide. They're into a diagonal to the side. Slight bend into those arms. Now tiny little circle forwards. Engage that core. Your neck is long, your spine is long, and the shoulders are relaxed and low. So tiny little circles right here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And reverse right here for 10, 9. I know we're starting to feel that burn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend the arms long. Shoulder like tap here and reach back out. Shoulders in and reach out. In and out. Shoulders are relaxed and low. Keep breathing. Breathe through these exercises. And extend and tap back in. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now place arms in a 45-degree angle in front of you. Now we're reaching open, and every time those arms are open, I want you to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Feet are hip width apart. Abdominals are tight. Open up, squeeze, and press back in. I want you to do all these motions very mindful and controlled. So open up and close for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, switch, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And hold it here, tiny little pulses. Arms come together. I know we're feeling that burn onto those biceps for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Slowly slide bend into those knees. That upper body comes down, and then take a deep inhale. On the exhale, we're opening up those arms wide, squeezing those shoulders together, and then slowly coming back in. The eyes are in front of you, reaching to the ground. The spine is long, your neck is extended long, and shoulders are relaxed. Opening up, squeeze those shoulder blades together, and then slowly lower down. For 8. Focus on that breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open up and tiny little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back to the middle. Now, bend those arms in a 90-degree angle right here. I want you to extend that left arm long, extend the right arm long, and extend both arms long. And every time we're extending an arm, we are activating that tricep right here. So sync that body, sync that mind, find that mind-body connection. Reach and arms together. Chest is nice and open, and keep going. There we go. Let's do it. Arms and abs today. Squeeze and open. Extend left, extend right. And every time you're extending the arms, I want you to almost like hold an extra second and really squeeze that muscle. And squeeze, there we go. 4, 3, almost there. 2, and 1 more. And we will hold it with the extended arms, tiny little circles inwards for 10, 9, final burn here, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and shake it out. Great job. Place those weights onto the ground for now. I want you to come to the back of the mat, slide bend into the heels. Now reach those arms up to the sky. Grab with that right arm, that left hand, and reach over to the right. Feel this nice deep stretch into the left side of your body. Open up that chest. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Reach through the middle and go to the other side. We're reaching up and over. Inhale and exhale out. And slowly roll down. And walk those hands out into this plank position right here. We're gonna hold at this plank, squeeze those legs together. Engage that core for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hip come wide. Now I want you to lean that whole body backwards, so bend those knees. Come back to the middle, step out to the right, step out to the left. Here we're working that whole upper body, those shoulders, that chest, the arms, and of course our core. So tap to the left, tap to the right, and reach back. A little bit of dynamic motion in here. Actually working our full body here. Tap, tap, and reach back. 3 more. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come onto those knees. Come into a deep child's pose. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. 1 more breath. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. And slowly come back. Lay down on your belly. The hand weights come in front. The hand palms are next to your ears, facing the ground. Now roll the shoulder blades back. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, we're lifting that upper body up, extending the arms long and lowering down. We're just activating those shoulder blades right here. So stretch out, come back in, and lower down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend those arms long, those heels and those legs come off to the ground. Tiny little sisters right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And lower down and roll over to your back and grab those hand weights. Now reach those arms up to the sky, palms are facing your knees. Slowly bring your hips into a glute bridge and squeeze those glutes together. Now while you're lowering down, I want you to press those arms low and press them up to the sky for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it in a glute bridge. Those arms come together. Now we're slowly reaching back and come back to the middle. Reach those arms to the back, to the ground, and come back. Activating those lats. There we go. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly roll down. Now place the left hand weight onto the ground. Your left arm comes behind your head. The right arm is still reaching towards the sky. Now when you come to in a little sit-up, reaching over to the left side, bring the arm back, reach through the middle, and then reach over to the right. There we go. And start it over from left, middle, and right. Working that core, working that arm. 6, 5. Feel that burn. 4, 3, 2, and 1 more here. And last one, and slowly lower down. We're going to switch hands, so the weight comes into the left hand, the right arm comes behind the neck. Take a deep inhale through the nose on the exhale. We're reaching to the outside, arm reaches back, reaching through the middle, arms reaches back, and cross over to the right. Working those abdominals and really squeeze through that arm, strengthen those arm muscles right here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, almost there, and 1, and slowly roll back down. Place that weight onto the ground. Bring those legs into a tabletop. Those arms come behind the neck. Head, neck, and shoulders are off to the ground. Now take a deep inhale on the exhale. We're slowly lowering those arms and those legs and lifting back up. Open up and close for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend the right leg long. Reach that right armpit over to the left knee and then switch or final bicycles right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly lower down. Extend those arms long over to the side. Bring the left knee in, let it fall over to the right, and rotate that upper body over to the left and feel this nice deep stretch in the left side of the body. You guys did amazing. Accomplished day 5. We're almost there. Only 7 days, only 15 minutes a day, which will completely shift your change of mood and the energy throughout your whole body. Okay, bring that right knee in towards the chest. Let it fall over to the left side and look over to the right. Take a deep inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. And roll over to one side. Press yourself up and you are all done for today. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along on this whole challenge. Also, if you want to see more of these long format workouts, you can also find them on my platform, soulsyncbody.com. Start your free trial there and yeah, join me there.